Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hello, Alex. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and bright. Perfect for going out.
Actually, I was planning to go shopping this afternoon.
Shopping? That sounds fun. What do you want to buy?
I need new shoes, maybe a jacket, and I also want to look for some shirts.
That's a lot. Are you thinking of going to the mall?
Yes, the mall is easier. It has many shops in one place. I don't like walking from store to store.
I feel the same. The mall is convenient. Do you usually shop alone or with someone?
Sometimes I go alone, but shopping with a friend is more fun. You can get advice and opinions.
I completely agree. I like having a friend with me when shopping. You can't always know if something looks good on you without help.
Exactly. So, would you like to come with me today?
Sure, I also want to look for a new dress and maybe a handbag.
Perfect. We can go together.
Do you usually make a shopping list before you go?
For groceries, yes. It helps me remember everything I need. For clothes, not always.
Same here. If I don't make a list, I sometimes forget what I really need and buy unnecessary things.
That happens to me too. What about budget? Do you set a limit?
Yes, today my budget is $100. I want to be careful.
That's smart. I think I will spend around $70 today.
Do you usually prefer expensive quality or cheaper items?
It depends. For shoes and jackets, I prefer good quality. For t-shirts or casual clothes, I don't mind buying cheaper ones.
I agree. Shoes especially must be comfortable and strong. Look, we've arrived at the mall. It's very busy today.
Yes, maybe there's a sale. I see 50% off signs everywhere.
That's perfect. Let's go to the shoe store first.
Good idea. You need shoes, and I want to look at sandals and flats too.
Wow, this shoe store has so many shoes.
Yes, it's a big store. What kind are you looking for?
Sneakers, black or white, something I can wear every day.
Look at these black sneakers. They are very nice.
Yes, I'll try them. They feel a little tight.
What size are they?
Size 42. Maybe I need size 43. Excuse me, do you have size 43?
Yes, let me check. Here you go.
Thank you. Much better. These fit perfectly and feel comfortable.
They look really good too. I like them.
How much are they?
The price tag says $60.
That's fair. I'll buy them.
Before you pay, look at these white sneakers too.
Oh, they're nice. Should I try them as well?
Yes, it's good to compare options before deciding.
Okay. These are light, but feel a little weak.
The black one seems stronger and more durable.
Yes, I'll stick with the black pair.
Do you want to ask about any discounts?
Good idea. Excuse me, is there any discount today?
Yes, there is a 10% discount for all sneakers.
That's great, thank you.
See, it's always smart to ask.
Okay, I got my shoes. Let's check jackets now.
Sure, the clothing store is on the next floor.
Do you prefer casual jackets or formal jackets?
For me, casual is better, more comfortable.
Same here. Let's look around and see what's available.
This store has buy one, get one free on some jackets.
Perfect. Let's check them out.
What about this blue jacket?
The color is nice, but it looks too big.
Try it on anyway.
Okay. Yes, it's too loose.
Then try the black one.
Good idea. Wow, this fits perfectly.
It looks very good on you.
Thanks. How much is it?
$80. But with the offer, you can get another item free.
That means I can also get a sweater.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I'll take this jacket and a sweater.
Great choice. Now I want to look at dresses.
Sure, let's go. Look at this red dress.
Wow, it's beautiful. I'll try it on. How does it look?
Amazing. The color suits you perfectly.
I like it too. It costs $70. Should I buy it?
Yes, I think it's worth it.
Okay, I'll take it. I also want a handbag.
Look, this one matches your dress.
True, but it's $40.
That's not too bad. The quality's good, so it's worth it.
You're right. I'll buy it.
Do you want to check shoes that match your dress?
Maybe next time. I don't want to spend too much today.
That's wise. You already have a dress and a handbag.
Should we buy some groceries too?
Yes, I need bread, eggs, and milk.
I need fruits, rice, and yogurt. Let's go to the supermarket.
Apples are on sale.
Great. I'll take bananas too.
Do you prefer white or brown bread?
Brown bread. It's healthier.
Good choice. I'll get yogurt too.
Look, these eggs are fresh. I'll take a dozen.
I also need some milk.
Do you want any snacks?
Maybe some cookies.
Hello, did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
That will be $25.
Here's my card.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Wow, we bought so many things today.
Yes, I got shoes, a jacket, a sweater, and groceries.
And I got a dress, a handbag, and some food.
Shopping together was really fun.
I agree. It's always better than shopping alone.
Let's do it again another day.
Yes, maybe for books or electronics next time.
Good idea. But for now, let's get coffee and relax.
Perfect. Let's go.